back to the video. So we were gonna do a part 2 of our one chest challenge, but instead we decided to do the two weapon challenge. But this is how it actually works. You can but so as you get more kills, you could wait. You're not allowed to trade your weapon.
Yes, you can trade your weapon, but you can only have 2.
You have to get more kills to trade weapons. So guys, we each get separate challenges. So we each get to pick what challenge we want to do. If we already did it or not. So I'm gonna do the.
But you can't do the pickaxe challenge if you're gonna do it.
Yeah, that's not allowed.
There's no way you're gonna win.
So you do the one. How about?
Wait, is that attack? Yes, it's attack.
I'm gonna do the. Got him. I'm picking 4 loot only. I'm doing 4 loot only. Hold on. I'm revving you.
I want to dance, but I can't dance on the floor. Okay, so you're doing 4 loot only.
Yeah.
But if it's from a chest and it goes on the floor, okay.
If you're allowed to open the chest for me, right?
But look, I'm grabbing my weapons, and right now, I can open the chest for you, but not with. Well,
Yeah, you're allowed to open the chest for me.
but I don't want it because I don't want you to steal this chest. This is my chest.
Well, I can't even open it.
Oh yes, Cat. Why not? Now I'm gonna drink it.
You're allowed to do 2 challenges in one, so I'm picking the bandage only challenge. So, I have to drop all my weapons, except for one. I can pick which weapon I want, and as the match goes, as you get more kills, you can...
I'm just doing a 2-weapon challenge, but you're gonna get one.
So guys, as you...
Wait, who opened that chest?
You're allowed to switch you can switch your challenge one time, and then as you get more kills, you can switch your challenge.
No, for me, as I get 1 kill, I can switch my weapon. This is my gun. Oh, really? This is mine. I want these bandages.
Are you doing the 2 weapon challenges?
Yeah.
I'm doing the bandage only challenge. So you can only have 1 weapon, and the only heals you could use are bandages.
No, you can have 2 weapons. Just you can only.
And you're not allowed to trade for a weapon until you get a kill, but you can change your challenge when you get a kill.
Yes. Assault rifle.
So that's how it works. You can change your challenge as you get more kills. You have to change your challenge. Okay, Gavin? So if I get
Okay, well, right now, do you have a bow?
If I get...
Actually, wait. Actually, I'm going to do a 3-weapon challenge. Wait, no. I'm cooking up this.
No, I'm knocked! I got this! Gavin, help! I need... This guy is following me. Finish him off so I can get a new challenge, okay? Finish him off. Finish him. Yes! Help me! Rev me! I know. Okay.
Oh my god.
Get my rebuke. You're not allowed to take any of my loot. Drop all of my loot.
It's only that many bandages.
No, I had 10 bandages. If I only have a different...
Sorry. Right now, I can't help you right now.
Just go res me.
I
while, guys.
And do you know how hard it is? There's somebody shooting at me, and I'm trying to remove you.
But no one's shooting. I'm grabbing this weapon. I have to get my loot back. Why? I need to get my loot back.
You're on your own. I'm dead.
Gavin, you owe me a couple bandages. Because I only have 7 bandages when I had 10. But also I got a kill, so I can switch my weapon up.
I only owe you.
No, I'm doing so since I got a kill, I'm doing the primal loadout only now. My next challenge is primal loadout only, so I can only use fish as heals.
Bye.
But I'm saving these bandages for the next challenge. I'm not allowed to use these bandages.
Medikit. Do you even know how much? Look, I got a medikit in 10 minutes.
Gavin, can I tell you the hardest challenge only?
Chicken.
I need to get a kill.
Oh my god.
Raptor!
And I need to kill this chicken. Look, this is my chicken. I have to kill him. Crap.
Tame the dinosaur for me.
Oh, this is mine. Oh, dinosaur.
Craft a hunter's cloak and tame the next dinosaur we see.
Okay. I'm creating hunter's cloak. Okay, I need med.
I cannot use any heals except for fish, so I'm running for my life.
Okay, good for you. Right now, I'm in crisis here.
And I cannot drive a car.
I'm the store.
Gavin, there's wolves.
What is it on? Okay, I'm taking the wolf. Take it. No!
I'm allowed to eat meat.
Yes, I know.
But I'm allowed to eat meat, so meat's my only heals for now. And
I need to kill my almost dead animal.
I didn't. The wolves take storm damage.
I wish it did. Get it down. Quick, get in the storm. Get out of the storm.
I got meat. I need to craft a hunter's cloak.
I still have my hunter's cloak on. Okay, I have my hunter's cloak on.
We're basically in week 1. What does that mean? There might be a dinosaur here.
I got this kind of pumpkin in the blue AR. And I have literally nothing good. Yes, I'm making a purple primal rifle.
Last time we found a dinosaur over here, so let's see if there's another dinosaur here. And this time I get to tame the dinosaur.
If there's two, we have to tame them at the same time, though.
No, but you can only tame one dinosaur.
Yeah, but if there's two, we have to tame them at the same time because if
Guys, we'll see you when we find a dinosaur, okay? Bye.
I die,
Okay, guys, I told you I'm not allowed to drive cars. So, but since I'm just taking this car. You know what? You're allowed to drive cars. Cave.
Grab the car. The star's moving really quickly.
So, guys.
Now.
I see you.
What did you say?
I see you.
Oh my God, I'm jumping from my life.
But you're in the storm now. Holy! Wait, Gavin! I don't have a hammer anymore. I lost my hammer, so I need to take a chicken and use. I stole your chicken, Gavin! Under the car, maybe. Gavin, this is what primal people use if they don't have a hammer. Why did you just kill my... What the? No, Gavin, why? You could have killed him after. I was trying... Now I can't craft a bow. Fine, I'll just... Ooh, a hammer. I'm going to craft a hammer. I could have used that chicken as a hammer. I just crafted a hammer. Oh, I crafted it already, and I used it.
Oh wait, here's a glitch. Oh my God, there's a funny glitch. When you hold a chicken,
Yeah, that's the glitch I'm talking about.
then you can use it, and it looks like that you're using the chicken to craft a weapon.
I know. That's what I was trying to do, but then you killed the chicken.
But I need the bones. I need one bone.
You could have just asked. I got like 3 bones.
So I would like the bone, please.
Well, no, not now, because you killed my chicken.
Well, anyways, suit yourself. I'm getting into this car.
Wait, fine, I'll give you a bone.
First, drop the bone.
Okay.
I want to see you drop the bone. Okay.
See ya.
Hey.
Nice.
I'm waiting for it. So wait for it.
Get in the car. We need gas. Herbert.